going to convert this 400 amp interior from top feed to bottom feed. Install the main circuit breaker and a 225 amp subfeed breaker. All the covers will be rearranged to make sure no labels are upside down. Rotate the chassis 180 degrees and remove the dead front cover assembly. Remove the dead front cover assembly by removing the 4 silver screws that secure it to the chassis. Do not discard. Once the dead front cover assembly is removed, install the bottom-mounted 400 amp main breaker. Place the breaker assembly onto the panel board and confirm it is oriented correctly for bottom mounting. Adjust the breaker to align the phase connectors with the breaker stabs. Secure each phase connector to its respective breaker stab. Repeat for all phases. Secure the breaker mounting bracket to the panel board rails using the screws provided. This used to be the top, now it is the bottom. Place the chassis onto the box studs and secure it with the nuts. Mount the interior on the top installation studs first, press it down into position, and hand thread a nut to hold it temporarily. Repeat this process until the chassis is fully secured. Use a torque wrench to verify the hardware is tightened properly. Reconfigure the dead front cover assembly for the bottom feed application. Replace the existing main breaker cover with the bottom main cover provided in the breaker kit. The bottom cover is pre-configured. Remove the existing cover and install it on the dead front cover assembly using the screws removed in the previous step. Remove the screws from the ratings label cover. All covers should be rotated 180 degrees to match the panel arrangement. Install the bottom cover on the dead front assembly. Reinstall 2-inch cover with the ratings label. Repeat the same steps for all the other covers, such as the branch cover, ensuring that no labels are upside down. Don't forget to change the end covers. Reinstall the dead front cover assembly back onto the chassis. To install the subfeed breaker at the top of the interior, remove the existing blank covers. Place the breaker assembly onto the panel board, confirm it is oriented as a subfeed device, and align the breaker connectors with the first two chassis bus holes according to the installation instructions. Secure the phase connectors to the main chassis bus using the screws provided. Use a torque wrench to confirm the hardware is fully seated and tightened. Do not over-tighten. Make sure the breaker mounting bracket is secure onto panel board rails. Install new breaker cover on the dead front cover assembly. There you have it, a subfeed device mounted on a 400 amp interior.